In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate feature for your Circle. So community, whether you're new to Circle.so or looking to expand your community's outreach potential, setting up an affiliate program can be a game changer. Let's dive into the step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Circle.so admin account. This is your main control center where you'll make all the necessary adjustments. Once you're securely logged in, navigate to your profile photo in the top corner of your dashboard. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Settings, then head over to the Integrations Payments section. Here, you'll integrate all the necessary aspects that'll make your affiliate program tick. As you scroll through the options, you'll come across the Affiliate/Referral Program section. This is your next stop. Click on Enable Affiliate Program. This is crucial as it activates the feature, allowing you to proceed with the setup. Now that the program is enabled, you'll need to configure the affiliate settings. Click on the option for this configuration step. It's important to tailor these settings to align with your business goals and the type of community you're running. Next, you'll decide on the commission structure. There are typically two options: setting a commission percentage or a fixed amount per sign-up or sale. Consider what works best for your community's growth and sustainability. Whether you opt for a percentage or a fixed amount can depend on several factors like your pricing model and long-term objectives. Once you've decided on the commission, you'll have to specify which plans or products the affiliate program will support. This makes sure that the affiliates promote the right offerings and ensures a streamlined focus for your marketing strategies. After configuring these details, think about how often you want to handle payouts. Click on Set Payout Frequency and decide whether weekly, monthly, or another frequency best suits your needs and infrastructure. With all these details in place, don't forget to click Save Changes to ensure everything you've configured is stored correctly in the system. Now you're ready to invite affiliates. You can do this by selecting Members from your dashboard, clicking Invite Affiliates, and copying the affiliate link. Share this link with potential affiliates through your preferred channels, providing them with the opportunity to start spreading the word about your community. To monitor how your program is performing, go to the settings again and open the affiliate dashboard. Here you can track important metrics like clicks, signups, and earnings, providing you valuable insights into your affiliates' performance. Finally, when it's time to reward your affiliates, you can handle payments through Stripe or any connected payment method you've configured. This step ensures your affiliates are compensated promptly and accurately for their efforts.